Hi, this is Sarek Halalat, and in this video I'm going to be explaining what are solo ads and what is the best platform for getting the best deal on solo ads. Stay tuned, see you after the intro. Hi, this is Sarek Halalat and welcome back to this video. I'll be explaining what are solo ads and what is the best platform for using solo ads. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I have a wonderful gift for you which will help you to grow your list. First, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This will keep me motivated in making other videos for you to help you grow your online business and become more successful. Okay, so solo ads is a form of email marketing. The idea is you go to someone who has a large list of email subscribers that they have built over several years, and they will be advertising your offer to their email subscribers. So imagine this is Austin. Austin has large email subscribers, at least 10,000 subscribers. He will be emailing his subscribers your offer. So he will be sending out an email saying, "Hi, this is Austin. I have something wonderful for you today. My friend, let's say Jonathan, has this wonderful free gift for you." So the subscriber will click on the link, and hopefully it will be taking them to your offer, which will be something like an ebook, a video, something valuable that the subscriber will be happy to give you their name and email list at least. Now, the way it works is that once a subscriber clicks on your offer, on the link on your offer, that will be what you will have to pay for. So Austin will have a link to your offer in his email list, and once the subscriber clicks on that list, that will be, it depends on how much you agreed on the click. If you agreed 70p a click, that will cost you 70 cents a click, that will cost you 70 cents. Or if you agreed 30 cents, that will cost you 30 cents. Now there are two types of clicks, tier 1 and tier 2. Tier 1 is basically English speaking countries which are also generally more affluent. So it will be countries like USA, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and countries like that. And tier 2 will be countries that generally don't speak English and may not be as affluent. The price of each click is generally between 30 cents to $1, again depending on the quality of click. So if you're purchasing tier 1 click, which is generally from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, which are generally more affluent, you'll be paying more for your click. And if you're purchasing clicks from countries maybe like India, China, or Philippines, you will be paying a lot less for your clicks. Now, before you purchase solo ads, first make sure you do your research. Don't suddenly start spending $500 on solo ads. I would highly recommend you to first test the water. So if you find a solo ad that you have researched and you're happy, solo ad vendor that you have researched and you're happy with to do business with, I would highly recommend that you first purchase low amounts of click, definitely not more than 100. I would say something between 50 to 100. So you would see what sort of subscribers they are, whether they are responsive, whether they are it's a buyer's list. So always before you spend a great deal of money, test the solo ad vendor that you wish to do business with. Also, beware of certain solo ad vendors because they may be using bots to get you fake clicks. The best platform for solo ads is definitely Udemy. It's the largest platform for solo ads. Generally, they check all the vendors, so you know you're getting generally reputable vendors. Plus, you also have reviews from customers. So if you need to check out a certain vendor, you can read all the reviews and make up your own mind whether this particular solo ad vendor is worth doing business with. So let me take this opportunity to share my screen with you. I'll be showing you inside Udemy and the best way of using it to get the best deal. Okay, we are actually inside of Udemy, which is udimi.com. This is my profile. I'm also a seller on Udemy, but please don't try to purchase from me. If you want to purchase from me, please contact me first because I'm very particular what offers I send to my subscribers. But I'm happy to work with you, but it depends on your offer. So please don't be upset if I don't accept your offer. My recommendation is please first contact me if you want to work with me. But there are plenty of others that will be more than happy to work with you. I'm going to be showing you the best deals, how to find the best solo ad vendors which have great reputation on Udemy. So you can find particular sellers this way by going to find sellers, or you could just go to solo deals, which will generally give you the best deals. So let's take someone like this. So he's selling each click for 50 cents. He's got 93 positive reviews. Let's actually go to him and find out a little bit more about him. So what this bit says is that his conversion or sales is 33%, which is actually pretty impressive. So 33% of customers have managed to gain a sale with this particular solo ad vendor. And his clicks is pretty reasonable, 50 cents. Now let's see what else we can find about him. What he's saying here is that he's doing high quality clicks, which is 90% tier 1 traffic, and traffic buyers are included. So this means that 90% of his subscribers are from countries such as the USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, countries that we spoke about earlier, which are English speaking and generally are more affluent. So this particular vendor doesn't seem to be bad at all. And these are some of the reviews that people have left for him. So bought 100 clicks. Let's see if we can find a little bit more about what they've said about him. Okay, so these are the actual reviews from customers who've purchased solo ad from this particular vendor. Anthony is a stellar, just had another sale. So it seems to be quite positive for this particular solo ad vendors. They all seem to be saying that he's a good solo ad vendor. and it seems like they're getting sales. Now, what I would advise you is that if you find someone whose sales is really high, that a lot of he's getting reviews and his percentage of conversion is quite high, above 40 or possibly 60, I would be a little bit cautious because that's not very realistic. And what happens sometimes is that many people that uh, buy solo ads on Udemy have free trials and things like that. So initially, people will do that free trials, but they drop out. So I can't tell you whether this happens for sure, but I have heard of cases where certain solo ad vendors get their friends or family or under different accounts buying or joining a certain program and then canceling. So this is something to definitely watch out for. So be cautious if something sounds too good to be true. Um, but this particular person seems quite realistic. 33% is quite realistic. Now, really, or you could also go on, so this was the solo deals. You could also go and find different sellers here. Now, this is someone I've purchased from before. Let's actually go and find out a little bit about him. He's got 56%. Now, when I purchased from him, actually, I mean, I can't tell whether what happened, but I did get certain amounts of sales, and literally everyone cancelled after the free trial. I cannot tell you whether the program that I offered wasn't good enough or whether there weren't genuine customers. So this does seem to be a little bit high, 56%. So if you do purchase solo ads from someone who has high percentage rate, don't be surprised if some of the sales get cancelled. I'm not saying that this person has done anything bad or it's not he's not genuine, nothing like that. I do know this particular person, and he's a great person, but my honest review is that for me personally, it the sales didn't convert. Now, it might convert for you, it might have converted for other people. uh, the best thing is try yourself, and then you will get to know if it's genuine or not. Now, you can also, with Udemy, you can also become an affiliate yourself. So you could advertise Udemy and get paid as well. And again, I recommend that. You have nothing to lose, you don't have to pay for it. I personally have also taken this opportunity to leave a link for you below. If you do wish to join Udemy and purchase solo ads from here, I'll I'll be honest, I will be getting a small percentage of commission, so that will be appreciated. If you do want to, if you think this is a platform that you would want to join and buy solo ads from, I have left a link below for you. I've also left a link to an offer where I'm offering you done for you emails. So once people subscribe to your email list, I'm going to offer you 30 days done for you email, highly converting done for you emails to help to grow your subscribers. Again, once my recommendation is initially, once you gain subscribers, don't bombard them with lots of offers and see them as a ATM machine, because that's not how to treat subscribers. You really want to gain their trust. You want to give them as much value as possible. So initially, definitely for the first 5 or 6 times, don't uh, bombard them with offers. Give them value, give them something they're going to be appreciate, and uh, gain uh, let them gain your trust, or let them trust you, should I say. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and this video has been informative. If you have any problems, or you would like more help with Udemy or list building or anything else, please feel free to leave a comment for me. I'll do my best to contact you and offer my help. Once again, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my list. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.